Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload story on Telegram. Stories are everywhere. Ephemeral post that appears after 24 hours. However, Telegram stories boast additional features that give it an edge in the WhatsApp versus Telegram conversation. One of the main differences is that you have more control over your story content. Unlike other platforms, Telegrams lets you edit your stories after posting them. You can fix mistakes, update captions, or add stickers to already posted stories. You don't have to delete and repost them like on other platforms. Here are the steps to follow this video. First, tap on the camera icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will open the camera screen. Tap the shutter button to take a photo, or hold it to record a video. You can also swipe up to access your gallery and choose an existing photo or video. Then, enter your caption in the caption field. Tap on Next in the bottom right corner, and then choose who can view your story, and then tap on Post Story. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.